Hey there, I'm Janosch, and in this video series you'll learn how you can easily create and share videos using Loom. Loom is a popular productivity tool that you can use to easily create and share videos with your friends, colleagues and clients, and it makes it much easier for you to make your work more asynchronous, which leads to less stress and more productivity. They offer a variety of tools like their browser extension as well as their desktop and mobile apps that make it super easy for you to capture video within seconds and to explain things in a much more visual and compelling way instead of sending endless email threads. In this series, we'll cover everything that you need to know in order to use Loom the right way, which is to choose the right account, but also how you can create your first video using Loom, the different options you have for sharing videos, be it embedding the video on your website or on other online platforms, or sharing it by link, by email, and so on, but also some of the other features like editing videos inside of Loom, as well as using the transcripts and many of the other new features like tags and organization inside of your Loom workspace. You'll also learn the difference between the different editors that Loom offers, be it the desktop application, the Chrome extension, and also the mobile apps for Android and iOS. And it doesn't matter if you've heard of Loom before, we'll cover everything that there is to know, and this course is specifically geared to people that want to use Loom or that have already started to use Loom and that want to know a bit more about the details and things that they can do with the software. Lastly, this entire series is completely free, so if you want to support me in creating additional series like this on other productivity tools, and you're also considering purchasing a Loom Pro plan anyways, then you can support me by purchasing it through my link in the description. That way I receive a small commission from Loom, which again supports me in creating additional content like this. You'll find the link to the entire series down below, so check that out and I'll see you there. Bye!